Dancing. Chloe's dancing. Oh yeah. Colin's dancing. It's his birthday. Dancing, dancing. Look, his tongue's dancing. Oh yeah. His arms are dancing. Oh yeah.
And my feet are dancing.
His feet are dancing. Oh yeah. Everything's dancing. He's a good dancer. Oh yeah.
My nose is dancing.
Your nose is dancing. Oh, everything else is dancing. Everything else. Everything else. Oh, he's dancing. And his pants are falling off. But he's dancing anyway.
Mommy, can I take my pants off because they're falling down, Mommy?
No, honey, you cannot take your pants off. I'm sorry.
I have to.
No, we must wear pants. Chloe, be careful. Oh, here she goes again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She's crazy. Oh no. Oh no. What are you doing? Oh, you're tired? Oh. Stroke you in the eye. Chloe, don't poke brother in the eye. You tired? You done?